Hi, Simple Life Ministry, Lorna here, back at you with another video. So today I am making the video for day 13 because tomorrow will be...
Tomorrow, day 12.
Tomorrow will be day 12?
Yeah.
Okay, so for tomorrow, day 12. And so today is Friday, so I'm making this ahead of time for tomorrow. So Simple Life, for day 12, I made some chia pudding, and in this here chia pudding I have 1 cup. I'll make it on here to show you. I use 1 cup of almond milk to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. So here is the chia seeds. So 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons chia seed, and you just mix it up. I also have vanilla. You can put whatever toppings you want on it. You could put your cardamom and your coriander on it also. So this is what I will have tomorrow with some pineapple. You know, I don't take the things out my pineapple. I just cut it up because I don't mind the things in it. And I'm going to have some coconut water. So this coconut water, regular water, my breakfast. And for dinner, I'm going to have a fruit salad. So for this fruit, I have some plantains, ripe plantains, some pear, which is avocado, some cucumber, and some tomatoes. This is just simple enough. And if I am hungry after, I have more cucumber and plantains that I can eat. And I just did a video for day 11, and this is the dressing that I use. So I'm just gonna pour it on that tomorrow and have it. I will, like I said, put the recipe also in the description. Simple Life, I am just so happy and just so glad that I am on this challenge, and I just want to encourage you to go ahead and incorporate more raw food into your diet. I don't want to mix it up yet because I'm going to be mixing it up tomorrow because it's for tomorrow, right? So I don't want to play with it too much. But I just want to come and encourage you that it is not too late for you to jump on board and to do something like this, because this is life. Food is life, and the more live the food is, the more benefits you get from it. So any questions, any comments, let me know in the comment section, and I will put the recipe for the dressing and the chia pudding in the description.
And them to massage the salad you make yesterday.
Oh yes, oh CD, I forgot. Like in day 11, right? The salad that I make, my husband wants me to remind you that when you make the salad, to massage it properly, because the kale can be hard on the stomach. So whenever I do my salads, normally I will make them ahead of time and massage them and let them marinate and soften up, so that it will be easier on the mouth, on the chewing, which will be easier on the digestive system. And so because the dinner that I made yesterday, I had to do it. I had to massage back everything and to make sure that the kale was softened up properly. And if you don't want to wait, I know some will say don't pardon me for going into yesterday's video, but some will say don't eat the kale because it is too hard on the stomach. But you can eat it. Just soften it, just massage it, or put it in the, what's that mixer?
Food processor. The
food processor, and just let the food processor give it some pulse, and that will make it better. Or which one there?
The freezer.
Oh yes, or put it in the freezer. Remember, the freezer cooks your food for you. So you could cut it up, put it in a closed container, and put it in the freezer, and whenever you are ready, it will be nice and soft. That is what the freezer do. Just just make sure you cut it up properly, and store it properly. And that was for yesterday. That's all I should say for yesterday. So today, this is it, Simple Life. This dressing is so good, so good. Should I even mention some of the things I use? Coconut. I use coconut jelly. Some of the jellies that we use, because when we couldn't eat, when we're doing the juicing, we save all the jellies that comes out the coconut. So I have the coconut jelly in it with some cashews and dates and some nut butter and some lemon juice. But yeah, it's so good. And this is like part of my healthy fat, you know. Instead of using the oil, you can just use the coconut and you get that fat right there. It's like using coconut oil. So Simple Life Ministry, bye for now. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing until
day 13.
Day 13.
Bye.
God bless.
Amen.